Welcome to our channel. Getting help from Sling TV through live chat is quick and convenient. Follow these steps to contact Sling TV support via chat. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to sling.com. You don't need to be signed in to access support. Step 2. Scroll to the bottom of the page and look for Help or Support links in the footer section. Step 3. Click on Help Center or Contact Us to access Sling TV's support resources. Step 4. Browse through common issues and FAQs to see if your question is already answered. This can save time. Step 5. Look for a chat button, often displayed as a speech bubble icon, typically in the bottom right corner of the help page. Step 6. Click the chat button to open the live chat interface. You may need to provide your name and email address. Step 7. Describe your issue clearly and concisely in the chat window. Include relevant details like error codes or device information. Step 8. Wait for a customer service representative to join the chat. Response times vary but are typically under 5 minutes. Step 9. Follow the representative's instructions and provide any additional information they request to resolve your issue. Step 10. Save the chat transcript by clicking the Save or Email option if available, or take screenshots of important information. Step 11. Rate your support experience when prompted to help Sling TV improve their customer service. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.